children. Till now we completed quadratic equation chapter. One method how to solve, that is by using factorization method. So in this video I am going to explain you the another method, that is second method, how to solve a quadratic equation by completing square method. So to start with this method, you need two identities. The main important in this method is there are two identities. One is a plus b whole square and another is a minus b whole square. So recall these two identities. A plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. And another identity is a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So before I start, let me explain exactly what is meaning of completing square method. So here, when they give equations, to solve, the equation will not be in a square of a binomial. So using either a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square, so we have to try to convert the given equation as square of a binomial. So now, as you know, what is the standard form of quadratic equation? As you know, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now, I am converting this equation as square of binomial, either a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. So now, before I start, first we have to make the coefficient of x square as 1. So here, what is coefficient of x square? That is a. So divide all the three terms by a. So we get x square plus b by a x plus c by a equal to 0. Then shift the c by a to right hand side. So then it becomes x square plus b by a x equal to minus c by a. Just look at this. Here I have one term with a square. X square means it is, in other words, it looks like a square. So we need another two terms, that is 2ab plus b square. So here already we have plus middle term, but middle term is incomplete. So in the middle term we have 2ab. So here we don't have 2. So what I have to do to get the middle term? Multiply and divide by 2. So whenever we are adding any extra number, we have to subtract the same number. Whenever we are multiplying, we need to divide to balance the given equation. So now I am multiplying by 2. At the same time, you have to divide by 2. So I got 2 by 2 into b by x equal to minus c by a. And just concentrate, what is the middle term in the a plus b whole square? That is 2ab. Now arrange this in the form of 2ab. So 2 is here and a is what here? X. As you know here x square, nothing but a square. So in place of it is x. And the remaining is b by 2a. This b by 2a becomes b. So arrange this, x square plus 2a in place of a x into b is b by 2a equal to minus c by a. Now till now I got two terms in the formula of a plus b whole square, that is a square plus 2ab. And we need now third term, that is b square. So here there is no b square. So what is b here? B is, according to this, a square plus 2ab. So b is b by 2a. So now I need plus b square. So to get plus b square, what I have to do? Add b by 2 whole square on both sides. Why we have to add on both sides? Because we have to balance the given equation. So now I am adding b by 2a whole square on left side and also b by 2a whole square on right hand side. Now you can observe, children, here a square plus 2ab plus b square. So I got the full expansion of a plus b whole square. Now can I write this as a plus b whole square? A square plus 2ab plus b square can be written as a plus b whole square equal to minus c by a plus b by 2a whole square. So with this, I could complete the given equation as square of a binomial. So from here we can find we can find the value of x by sending the square on either side and b by 2a on right side. We can find the value of x. So this method, when we apply in the given quadratic equation, so we can express the given quadratic equation as square of binomial and we can find the value of x with the help of completing square method. Thank you.